Hello out there, my name is Milesy, and welcome to my channel. Today we have another eBay box, and it's in an Amazon box, which was super duper confusing. Now, if you're new to this channel and you don't know what an eBay box is, basically it's a box I buy on eBay every month. I wanted to start doing some subscription boxes on this channel, but in looking around I couldn't find any decent monthly embroidery boxes, which was kind of disappointing, so I decided I'll just invent my own. So every month I go on eBay, I set myself a limit of about $40 for the shipping and the item in total, and just kind of get whatever I can get. So let's open this thing up and see what we have. Come on. There we go. So, we have a packing slip confirming that this is the eBay box, despite the fact that it's in a recycled Amazon box. Oh, first thing that we have. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. There's a little Q-snap frame. For some reason I thought it was an 8-inch. This is clearly a 4-inch. That's really cool. That's going to go into the Patreon box because my stand can't actually use these. But that's kind of cool. Let's actually take it out and see what kind of condition it's in. Yeah, it's one of the really nice little modular ones. You just kind of snap it all together, and I did that wrong, of course. Okay. How do you do this? Help, it's smarter than me. Take those off. There we go. So yeah, it's a little 4-inch Q-snap frame. Everything seems like it's in decent shape. It's all in one piece. Nothing is cracked or bent. So cool. There we go. There's that. What else do we have in here? A lot of packing material. And a bag. And then a lot of stuff in the bag. Let's take a look. Let's kind of go through piece by piece. Get in there. So, first we have, looks like a bunch of needles. Needles are always nice. So, we have, looks like they took one of those pencil lead cases. I've got a few of these and stuck a magnet on it. That's pretty smart. Just a bunch of, sharp little embroidery needles. I don't do surface embroidery, so this one's going to go into the Patreon box as well for some lucky patron. And then I have, a set of size 26 needles, a set of size 24. 24 is what I like. 24 and 26. And then a couple of 28s. I'll put those in the Patreon box as well, because I'm not too fond of 28s. I'll keep the 24 and 26, though. I like those ones. What is this? There is... Ooh, this is definitely something that one of you guys will get. This is Independent Crosses Style Aborigine. It's a shield. And I can't tell. It says it's cross-stitch on 14 count. But it's cute. There we go, and it appears to come from the UK. That's kind of cool. I'm going to put that in the Patreon box as well. And then, ooh boy, lots and lots of floss. Let's start with these ones. We have, what brand is this? Ooh, my goodness, I have some Anchor Pearl Cotton. And I have 3 skeins of black and 3 skeins of 146. This really nice blue. So there we go. I think I'll pass these along to someone else as well, because I don't use a lot of pearl cotton, but that's pretty cool. It's the first time I've ever seen Anchor still with the label. I have a bunch that I got in a thrift store, but it's all on bobbins. And then we have a bunch of this stuff, which is all stuck together. Let me just pull it out one at a time. This is DMC pearl cotton, and it's got some junk stuff in it. Let's take that out. This is 53. This is 5200. This is 92. It's also got stuff stuck in it. And a lot of these look totally unused. This is, nose itches, 69, and it's coming unraveled. And the last one is 127. And these are all pearl cotton size 8, it looks like. Yep, that's cool. And then I have this, which is some... what is it? It looks like it's some black polyester thread. Oops, and I dropped it. From West Germany, of all places. It seems pretty decent quality, though. I mean, you know it's going to be old. That's the only thing about this, if it's from West Germany. But there is that. And then, oh my goodness. I have some sulky 250 yards of this really nice purple. I like that. And then I have a lot of Krynic in here. This is, I don't know, a nice kind of pinky red. I like that one. This is a kind of really light, shimmery pink. Really nice yellow. I like that one. That one's nice. Ew. This is the blending filament. Some of these are just like their... Thank you for that email. Some of these are just their metallic flosses or threads, and then you've got this weird blending filament that I've never been able to figure out how to use. Because I don't do that kind of stitching, I guess, but it's like this really nice green. And then there is more of the metallic stuff in a gold. It's a really nice one. And two more in another shade of pink. I think that one's more blending filament. No, it's just kind of fraying, weirdly, maybe. I don't know, I can't tell what it is. Some of it says blending filament, some of it does not. I'm not too familiar with Krynic, to be honest. And then this one is just a nice silver. So a really kind of a small batch. This one cost just over $40 for everything. And there wasn't a lot in here, but what is in here is a lot of really high quality stuff, which is super cool. And a lot of this I am going to pass on to patrons because, like I said, it's just not stuff that I use, and that's cool. If you want to know how to get your hands on some of this stuff, just head over to my Patreon page. I will link that down below. Anything that I get in these eBay boxes that I don't use, I put in a big bin on the other side of my room and just kind of pass that on to patrons who sign up for certain tiers. So yeah, you'll get, I'll probably put all of the pearl cotton in there. I don't know, I'll keep, I think, the polyester one just because it's old. I don't think I feel like passing that along. You guys will definitely, someone will get the anchor, someone will get the kit. I'm putting the Q-snap in there, and I'll put some of the needles in there as well, because everyone likes needles. But there we go, a nice little short one. So that's where I will go ahead and end it today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, all that fun stuff, and I will see you next time. Bye!